Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with 3 essentials: a streaming stick or a compatible adapter, power, and Wi-Fi. First, inspect the Polaroid TV ports and pick the correct device. If HDMI exists, plug the stick into an HDMI port and power it via the TV's USB or wall adapter. If only composite RCA is present, attach an HDMI to AV converter between the stick and the red/white/yellow inputs. Once done, set the TV input to the matching port so the device screen appears. Now you'll set up network and apps. Power on the streaming device and use its remote or phone setup app to join your Wi-Fi, strong 2. 4 GHz or 5 GHz signal helps. Next, install or open YouTube on the stick or enable casting from your phone or Chrome browser. Sign into your Google account to access subscriptions and history. Make sure the TV input stays on the device. If shelves or labels hide ports, feel along the back for the HDMI or AV connector so you don't lose the signal. Finish by testing playback. Open YouTube and play a short video. Change resolution if buffering occurs. If you see no picture or sound, confirm the converter or stick has external power and that RCA/HDMI cables are secure, then reselect the TV input. For Wi-Fi drops, restart the router and streaming device. For persistent incompatibility, try a different adapter model or use a smart TV box instead. One key troubleshooting tip: if using an HDMI to AV converter, always power the converter separately to ensure proper signal conversion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.